Good morning students, this is Shaila ma'am here. So today in our math class we are doing math revision for our FA4. So I have sent you all the portions, so you will have number 10, the lesson number 10, then you have the lesson on tens, units and tens, and numbers from 11 to 20, right? So I have prepared the revision question paper for you all. Just write it down in your, copy it in your classwork, math classwork book, and practice. If you don't practice, you will not get mathematics. So you'll have to practice and practice so that you're well versed with the numbers. Okay children, so this is going to be the format of the question paper. So I will do it for you all and you also solve along with me. Okay children, let's do it. Okay, so the first main says count the object and write the number in the given box. So you have to, they're given some objects or pictures, you'll have to count and write it in the box provided for it, and then add and put it in the big box. Okay, so what is the first thing? We have lollipops. What are these children? Lollipops. So let's count how many lollipops we have. 1, 2, 3 plus. So what is before the plus sign is what we are counting first. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 lollipops. So I'm writing 3 here. Okay, 3 lollipops plus how many are here this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many lollipops we have? 7. So we'll write 7 in this box. So 3 plus 7 gives you how many? So that you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 3 plus 7 is 10. So 3 plus 7 you have to write 10 in the box. Is that clear children? So you're adding the objects and putting it in the box, then add the both the boxes and write 3 plus 7, 3 in your mind, 7 on your fingers. So 3 after 3 is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 3 plus 7 is 10. The next sum, we have flowers. What do we have? Flowers. So let's count the flowers. 1, 2 plus. So we have 1 and 2. 2 flowers in this side. And what's after the plus sign? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, there should be 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So how many flowers we have? We have 8. So let's write 8 here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 plus 8. How much do we get? 2 plus 8 is 2 in your mind, 8 on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 plus 8 is your 10. Like you count all the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when you add plus, you are totaling, you're joining all the numbers together. So all the numbers together, put together is 10. So 8 plus 2 plus 8 is 10. So let's go to the next sum. We have leaves here. What do we have? Leaves. Let's count how many leaves we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 leaves. 6. So let me put 6 in this box. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. How many leaves we have? 4 leaves. So let's write 4 over here. 6 plus 4 is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So putting all the leaves together, we get 10. So 6 plus 4 is 10, right? So let's do the next one. We have balls. So let's count how many balls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We have 9 balls here, so I write 9 in the box. And this side we have 1. Only one ball, so I'll write 1 in the given box. So 9 plus 1 is how much? So let's put the balls together and see 9 plus 1 is 10 again. So these are from the lesson number 10. 10 in many ways. You all did this right in your notebook. This is the questions from your lesson 10 in many ways. From the lesson number 10. So once this is done, let's go to the next main. What comes after? So here you have to write the numbers that comes after the given number. So for this you all should know from 1 to 20 very well. Okay, so you should know the numbers from 1 to 20. So whatever comes after each number is what you have to write here. So I have 12 here. So what comes after 12? What comes after 12, children? 11, 12, 13. So 13 comes after 12 and write 13 in the box. So next number is 17. 1 and 7 is 17. So what comes after 17? 1 and 8, 18. You can write a number line or you write the numbers and see, count the numbers from 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. The next number is 10. What comes after 10? So you can count numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you stop at 10 because there is 10 here. And after 10, 10, 11. So when you stop at the number what you have here and see what number comes after 10 is 11. 1 and 1 is 11. And then what's this? 6. What comes after 6? Very easy, right? 7. Very good. And what comes after 8? After 8 is 9. 8 and 9. So after 19, so let's count from 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the next number after 19 is 22 and 0 is 20. I am writing it in the box. Correct? Okay, so you all understood what I said, what I taught you all here. Now let's go to what comes before. Let's see what comes before. The first is dash 11. You have a box here with blank box and you have 11. So you have to write what comes before 11. What comes before 11? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you got 11. So what was before 11? 10. 10 comes before 11. So write it in the box. Now what comes before 15? So we'll continue from 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what came before 15? 14. So 14 comes before 15. Okay. So next is 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So what did you count before 20 was 19. So the number 19 comes before 20. And what is the number that comes before 9? Is your 8. This is nothing but you have to count backwards. 10, 9, 8, then you'll get 8. 20, 19, 18, if you know to count backwards, do that, or else you have to count from the beginning, from 1 to whatever number you stop and write the number before that. Dash 2. What comes before 2? The first number. So children, let's go to the next one. Dash 2. So what comes before 2? That's a very easy question, right? The first number. What comes before 2? 1. 1 comes before 2, right? And the next one, dash 14. So what comes before 14? 11, 12, 13, 14. So what did you say before 14? 13. 1 and 3, 13. So let's go to the next main. What comes in between? So we did what comes after, we did what comes before. Now this is a question which as both come put together, what comes in between? So we have two numbers given and you have to find out what is the number that comes between these two numbers. So we have 10 dash 2. 10 dash 2. What will come between 10? Say 10, 11, 12. I mean 10 dash 12. 10, 11, 12. So 11 comes between 10 and 12. 6 dash 8. What comes between 6 and 8, children? 6, 7, 8. So 7, I'll write 7 in the box. 6, 7, 8. Next, 18 dash 20. 18 dash 20. 18, 19 and 20. So 1, 10 and 9 units. 19. 18, 19, 20. What's the next number? 9. 9 dash 11. 9 dash 11. 9, 10, 11. So 10 comes between 9 and 11. 9, 10, 11. 10 is the answer. So next question, what comes up between 15 and 17? 15, 16, 17. 15, 1, 6, 16, 17. 15, 16, 17. What comes between 13 and 15? 13, 14, 15. So 14 is the answer. 13, 14 and 15. So this is what comes in between. Write it down in your classwork and we'll go to the next main. So let's go to the next main, children. That's main 4th. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So what comes in the blank spaces? You have to, whatever the blank space is given, you have to fill that. So first one is 16. So 16 is dash tens and dash units. Now the number 16, how many tens we have, children? How many tens? So see the 10th column we have 1. So 1 tenth. So we'll write 1 tenth. And how many units we have? 6 units. So 1 tenth and 6 units. Okay. In this number 16 has 1 tenth and 6 units. The next one is 20. So 20, in the number 20, how many tens do we have and how many units do we have? How many tens? So see the tens column, we have 2 tens. So 20 is 2 tens and how many units we have? How many units? 0 units. 0 you have to write. Okay, when there are no numbers here, it's 0, then you have to write 0 units. So 2 tens and 0 units. So the number 20 as 2 tens and 0 units. 10 units. When we say 10 units, that means how many tens does it have? This is 10 units, right? So how many tens do we have? How many tens do we have? 1 10. So 10 units makes 1 10. So this is only 10. 10 units makes 1 10. And there are 20 units here now. So 20 units makes how many tens? How many tens? 20 units we have. This is a tens column, right? So how many tens are there in that? 2. So 20 units makes 2 tens. 2 tens is nothing but 20. Okay, children. So let's go to the next question. 1 tenth and 3 units equals how many? So 1 10 and 3 units equals how much? So let's write 1 10. We are writing 1. And how many units column? 3. So 1 and 3 is 13. 1 10 and 3 units is equal to 13. The next one, 1 10 and 9 units equals how much? So 1 10 and 9 units. So 1 10 and 9 units makes 19. Okay. The next one, we have fill in the missing numbers. So the same thing, fill in the blank. So from 11, whatever the number has to come next, you are going to fill it up. 11, what comes next? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, we have 19 here, then 20. Okay children, so 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So let's go to the next main. Write the number names for the following. So I want you all to learn the number names. I had sent you all the number names, right? So you'll have to write the number names. Now what are the number names? We have 11 here. What's that? 11. So how do you write 11? Number names. E. So you have boxes. Then you have to write boxes in your notebook. I'll write the way you all are supposed to write. Okay? You have square boxes like this, right? This is how your notebook is. So this is how your notebook is, right? So when I give 11 here, so this also will be part of your box. I am doing this for your understanding. So learn to leave one box in between and write one line full. So it will be easy for you to understand. So this 11 equals E L E V E N. 11. How do you write? E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. What's this? 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N, 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N, 18. The next 20, 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. So if you leave one line in between, these things will not come. Then it will be easy for you all to understand. Now there's no space here for me. I haven't left the line, but you all leave one line between the numbers. 18, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N, 18. 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. 12, T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. So what's the spelling for 12? T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Next is 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N, 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N, 19. So this is how you are supposed to write the number names in your notebook. Okay children, so this is what you will be getting for your exam. Learn and study well and learn well and take your exam seriously. All the best to you all. Take care. Bye.